Welcome to the Puretec 60-second video series. Today, we're taking a look at our water testing kit, the simplest way to check the quality of your water at your property. The Puretec water test kit analyses your water for common impurities that can affect its taste, odour and appearance, as well as key contaminants for filter selection. This helps you make informed decisions about your water for drinking, showering, cooking and more. You can pick up a kit from your nearest Puretec dealer. The kit provides everything you need and tests the most common non-bacteria contaminants from different water sources. Just follow these 5 easy steps. Step 1. Fill the sample bottle from your tap. For bore water samples, filled directly from the bore pump. Step 2. Complete the form. Step 3. Repackage everything in the provided shipping bag and ship it back to us. Step 4. We analyse your water. Step 5. We send you the results and recommend a suitable treatment system. Testing your water helps you choose the right filter for your property and ensures you are getting the best quality water possible. Visit our website to learn more.